Hi, I'm Katie.
I'm Steve.
And we're from Trail Less Traveled. Today we want to share with you 5 reasons why we like our camper more than our house. You might think that sounds a little bit crazy, but we're going to share with you why it's not.
It's not that we hate our house. We definitely love our house. It is plenty spacious.
We've got a big backyard, we've got an awesome layout, but there's just some things that the camper can do that the house can't.
Yes.
So we want to share that with you in case maybe you're considering buying an RV, or maybe you trying to convince your significant other that you should buy an RV. We just wanted to share some of the reasons why we love ours so much.
5. There's just less stuff to deal with.
Yeah, we don't have 63 different Barbies, 100 different towels, and 10 seasons worth of clothes. We have just what we need with us and nothing more. So what could be a disaster at home, it isn't that bad. Even if we had every single toy in the camper out, we still have not that much stuff to clean up. So it's just less stuff to deal with. If you go to reorganize a cabinet, it doesn't take that long. There's just not as much space, so you don't end up having too much stuff.
Yes, and like even if you get done with dinner or whatever, and you have the plates and cups and stuff like that sitting there at home, when you have more counter space and stuff like that, it's easier to leave it there, at least for us anyway.
Yes.
But when it's in the way here, you clean it up right away. So maybe we're just procrastinators.
Well, and you just don't have enough stuff, enough plates, enough pots, enough pans, enough cups to leave stuff out and not wash it. You just have to wash it and get it over with, or you're not going to be able to eat.
True.
4, there's less maintenance.
Yeah, there's only one toilet.
There's only one kitchen sink. There are mechanical and moving parts and things that you need to take care of, but even the scale of those maintenance things that you need to take care of are smaller because, again, it's a much smaller venue than your house. So when you take care of those maintenance issues, they don't tend to take as long.
Very true.
And we don't have so many things on our to-do list, maintenance-wise, on the camper. Sure, there may be the organization at the beginning of the season or the winterizing at the end of the season, but let's face it, our to-do list at our house is...
Yeah.
And in the camper, it's like...
For maintenance-wise, it's just on a smaller scale. There's a lot less projects that are going on with it.
It's as simple as that. It's just smaller.
3.
Somebody else does the yard work.
What? You don't have to mow the lawn?
No, you don't when you're camping.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, so somebody else takes care of the lawn for you.
Yeah, and they typically have nice landscaping and you know, nice things around the parks and stuff that we stay at.
Beautiful backdrops. Yeah. You can be staring out at these kinds of things. Most parks have great landscaping, or you're just in a really beautiful location, so you're in a forest or wherever that may be, and you don't have to do a thing for it.
You don't have to rake leaves, pull weeds.
None of it. None of it at all.
Even though some of us lie to ourselves and say that's fun.
Do you really like doing yard work? Do you really? We don't, in case you were wondering. Yeah. We're gonna clear the air right now. And we, built a gigantic vegetable garden in the back of our house, and that was a dumb idea. We should have spent the money on a down payment on a camper at that point in time.
Giant weed garden.
2.
It's easy to clean.
Truth. It is I do most of the cleaning, but it is. It's so much smaller. It is 400-ish square feet versus 4,000-ish square feet. It is 2 bedrooms versus 5 bedrooms. It is 1 bathroom versus 3 bedrooms. It takes me a half an hour to take the camper from complete disaster to scrub down and totally clean.
Yes, and the one time that I had to do it, it was a lot easier.
It is. There's, like we said earlier, there's less stuff, so you don't have to put away as much stuff, and it's in a much smaller area. So when you go to put something away, you're not having to walk like all the way across the house to go put it away. It's right there and you just put it away.
Less counter space.
Yes. And for us,
vacuuming takes like 5-10 minutes.
Yes, for the whole thing, not one room, the whole thing.
Yeah.
And for us, we tend to put things away a lot more often in the camper than we do at home. And I think it's not that things don't have a space at home, it's just that it's so much closer. It's right there. Even the kids argue less about putting things away when we're in the camper because it's just right there. They just have to open the cabinet and throw the shoes in.
Yes, much easier.
Yes. So it is so much easier to clean. Our number one reason why we like our camper more than our house, drum roll please. You can park it anywhere.
Obviously that is one of the best things about camping. I mean, taking a camper somewhere, you got your home on wheels, you can drive it wherever you want. And in the beginning, like, we were a little scared to drive it, you know, an hour away from our house. Now, geez, we'll take it wherever. But we've also learned a lot about that. But anyways, you can just take it wherever you want. It's pretty amazing, and you get to see a bunch of beautiful places.
Yeah, and it means that, you know, out your window, you can have lakes, mountains, desert, whatever it is that you want to go see, you can just go park there and get those amazing views. You're not stuck with the same view every day. You're not waking up to the same thing. You're waking up to something new and exciting and new places to go explore.
Yeah, and I mean, obviously, if you were to do that sort of stuff, it'd become very expensive and take a lot of time to fly to wherever. So you'd have 3 different houses or 4 different houses in different areas. So,
yeah,
you know, this is, you know, pretty
economic.
Amazing. Yes.
It's an economic way to go see everything. And really, honestly, it's less stressful on the kids too, because there is still this common thing. They're used to the camper, it's their stuff. We don't have to pack and unpack and pack and unpack if we move to a new location. So it just really cuts down on the stress for the kids too, because it's familiar to them.
You can literally go wherever you want.
Yes.
You know, you can park it next to a beach, you know, mountains, wherever.
The beach. Let's go to the beach.
Mexico.
Let's go. I'm out of here. Midwest. Okay. So there you have it. Our 5 reasons why we like our camper better than our house. Maybe you will too. Maybe you do too. What's one of your favorite reasons that you like your camper more than you like your house?
Yeah, if you do, comment below.
Let us know.
Definitely subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. And
if you're curious about what the inside of our camper looks like, since we like it so much, I will link the tour that we did of our 312 BHTS Grand Design Reflection in the iCard, so you can click that and go over and take a view of the tour. And yeah, we'll see you on the trail.
see ya.
Hi, I'm Katie.
I'm Steve.
Today we want to share with you 5 reasons, not 10, 5 reasons.
What? 5. Plenty spacious. We got rooms for everybody. Let's get started.
That's reason 5.
That stuff is good. I've always known that. My wife hasn't. 4.
No, I was supposed to say it.
1. Something or other. I don't know.
Well, okay, I got it.
You don't have to mow your lawn. You don't have
That's
to.
a different topic. I should have prepped him for this video.
Obviously. 3.
What is 3? The lawn thing.
3.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Jinx, you owe me a Coke.